That harsh voice in your head isn't honesty, it's conditioning. Welcome back to day 5 of the 30-day self-trust challenge with myself, Kathy Richards, registered dietitian. The body is not the enemy. So I want you to remember that your body is not sabotaging you, it's communicating. It might be communicating hunger, fatigue, cravings, and those are all signals and feedback, not character flaws. So the invitation today is to respond kindly to one body signal. Okay, so I want you to check in with your body and respond kindly to one thing or signal that your body is trying to communicate to you. So here are a few examples. I ate when I noticed hunger. I stretched instead of ignoring tightness. So sometimes that can just be as simple as, sitting up straight at our desk or stretching out while we're working, right? It doesn't have to be a 30-minute yoga session. Or it could be just recognizing I'm tired, so I went to bed early. Okay, it doesn't have to be a big thing. And if today felt hard, and it's hard for you to notice these communications or signals from your body, just remember that kindness can be very small. So even starting to notice the signals that your body's giving to you, that counts. Okay? We'll see you tomorrow for day 6.